Chapter 1, Nature of Politics. Class 11. Political science is a dynamic discipline. Since the days of Plato and Aristotle, political science as an academic tradition has been getting enriched by thoughts and teachings of many political scientists. Attempts have been made in the book titled Introduction to Political Science to make a proper study of different interpretations and analyses of political science. So political science is a social and dynamic discipline. Aristotle is called the father of political science. If we go back 2500 years ago, Greece was covered with mountains, hills, and there were 158 city-states. They are called polis. And during the time of Aristotle, he could not differentiate between state and politics. The Aristotle named polis, and his book is Politics. So the name of politics and politics is clear to say is a negative concept. Politics means conflict. Politics means conflict and resolution. Politics means strifes. Politics means to satisfy one's selfish ends by hook or crook. Politics means to convince one in favor of own. Politics means tussle, and politics is found at rural level, national level, and international level. Some people are of the view that politics is a dirty game. So as a result, the concept of politics is growing narrower to narrower. And still today, students are getting involved in schools, colleges, and universities. And their guardians advise them not to join in politics. Because if you join politics, your life will be spoiled. That this is not the idea of politics. Politics means consciousness. Politics means total conception regarding the society in your surroundings. Politics means to have an idea different regarding government's decisions, regarding the activities of politicians, whether it is value free or value added, to judge. 18 years is considered the age of voting. It is clear to say the students of tender age, they are supposed to exercise their adult franchise in favor of their own candidate. So under these circumstances, if they are deprived from the conception of politics, it's a matter of great regret, but it is regret that they will be deprived from their surroundings, society. Because according to Aristotle, man is a social animal. Man cannot live without society. If a man lives without society, he is either a beast or God. So, you have to live within society. So, you belongs to your society. You belongs to schools. You belongs to colleges, universities, groups, different political parties. Even you belong to your family members, all are included into politics. politics is divided into two parts: applied politics and theoretical politics. Theoretical politics means origin of the state, its characteristics, its nature, its formation. Theoretical politics. And applied politics means government. We do not see the state. We can only realize the functions and activities of state through government, because government is the mirror of state. The state is an abstract idea. Government is a concrete idea. So after a long period, after the departure of Aristotle, after the days of Aristotle, the scenario in Europe was going to be changed from time to time, rapidly. The regime of Pope prevailed in society. The bourgeoisie prevailed in society. People realized that they are deprived from their own rights. Clear to say, Renaissance came to England, and as a result, state and society was differentiated. People tried to understand their surroundings, their groups, the people whom they belong to, different interests, different ideas, different concepts. Industrial Revolution, French Revolution took place, and the battle between papacy and kingship was over. After a long time, in 1688, Glorious Revolution took place in England, and Parliament was established. England is called the mother of all parliaments. So society was changing. Thoughts of people are changing. They became able to differentiate between state and society. According to Aristotle, political science is the master science. According to Lord Bryce, political science is a progressive science. According to Lord Bryce, political science is a inexact science. So there are so many definitions regarding political science. Gardner, the great political philosopher, says political science begins and ends with the state. So there are so many definitions of political science. So clear to say, political science deals with state, political science deals with government, political science deals with state and government according to Gilchrist. State-centric definitions of political science. Political science is the study of social science. So there are so many definitions of political science. The definitions of political science are increasing day by day. Now from 145 to 150. So the political scientists defined political science of their own. Political science deals with pressure groups. Political science deals with political parties. Political science deals with laws. Political science deals with international laws. Political science deals with different international organizations, UNESCO, ILO, WHO, etc. After the end of Second World War, there emerged a group of political scientists named behavioralists. There are two groups in defining political science. One is traditional group and another is modern view. They are called behavioralists. Behavioralists put emphasis on groups, human activity, social activity, human behavior.